Welcome to Learn Short and Typing with Vikas sir. The Hindu editorial dictation heading is लॉकडाउन गेन्स। यहाँ पे गेन्स का मीनिंग यहाँ पे ये होता है कि इम्पोर्टेंट, नेसेसरी, वाइटल। स्टेट शटडाउन्स आर इनविटेबल्स। इसने बोला है कि जो स्टेट का जो शटडाउन है आर इनविटेबल, काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट है, बट दे मस्ट बी यूज टू अगमेंट द हेल्थ सिस्टम। लेकिन हमें जो हेल्थ सिस्टम के बारे में बिल्कुल अच्छी तरह से सोचना है, अच्छी तरह से डिजर्व करना है। ओके, ये आर्टिकल आपका 100 वर्ड पर मिनट्स के डिक्टेशन से किया जाएगा। सो बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। Several states have done the inevitable, going into a strict lockdown for a fortnight to arrest India's calamitous descent into COVID-19 health since mid-March. The horror of sweeping infections, severe disease, and staggering death rates has made a lockdown a popular measure, unlike last year's imposition on an ill-prepared nation. Public acceptance of restrictions comes with the realization that the threat to life from a mutating virus has aggravated manifold. Although the spread of the scores from about 9,000 new daily cases in early February this year to over 4 lakh in May was brought about mainly by wrong messaging, massive political rallies, and large religious events. After having been filled, what people now look forward to are measures that are insights not from crude policing but public health research. Unlike in 2020, the evidence is also stronger. WHO explains that SARS-CoV-2 separates primarily through respiratory droplets and aerosols produced when people cough, sneeze, speak, sing, or breathe are within 1 meter of each other, and also in crowded, poorly ventilated settings. Contact with contaminated surfaces poses another risk. Insistence on wearing good mask, distancing, and a prohibition on risky gatherings such as in restaurants, malls, religious sites, auditorium, and on public transport are therefore essential. It is welcome that lessons have been learned and people were given time to prepare this time. Moreover, rather than shut out employment and services completely, home delivery services and some vending have been permitted. Tamil Nadu, which has commendably announced a relief of rupees 4,000 for COVID-19, part of it to be disturbed during the lockdown, should avoid big gatherings at ration shops, opting instead of for e-payments or doorstep disturbance. States should prevent crowding at shops open for limited hours by allowing door deliveries for all consumer goods and not just food, using online services. Travel for emergencies must be facilitated without harassment. For an exhausted medical community staggering under the weight of over 37 lakh active COVID-19 cases and a severe shortage of medical oxygen and drugs, the pause in activity comes as a lifesaver. The lockdown window can help it manage existing patients while governments augment critical supplies. A slowing infection curve will give everyone breathing space in coming weeks. Although the heart-rending death rate may take time to decline due to the lag effect. A drop in the vaccination rate poses a serious challenge, and it is incumbent on the center to arrange for vaccine imports or augment domestic production to scale it up. Testing access must also be dramatically increased by May and to assess the true scale of the pandemic. Without such progress, the lockdowns may yield only small gains since the opportunity to build the systems to handle another surge would have been frittered away again. Full stop.